What could I say?
Wala, 0? 8-0, my God! What is up, guys? So welcome back to our YouTube channel. So another day, another pickleball content na naman tayo. And today, sali tayong open play. It's currently 2:30 p.m. Nag-start yung open play ng 2 p.m. So 4 hours to, 2 to 6 p.m. Kasama ko ngayon dito si Josh of Double Bounce. Hi ka naman.
Hello everyone.
Ang name pala nung group nila is Double Bounce.
Yes,
Invite mo sila.
Double Bounce. Hello guys. Please follow us sa Reclub for more announcement. Marami kaming pasabog lalo this summer season.
Yes, may collab rin pala kami. Pero abangan nyo lang, stay tuned.
Abangan nyo, promise. Look forward nyo siya sa sobrang namin ng pasabog.
Yeah. So ngayon, dito kami sa open play nila Josh and Kay. Yan, parating. So,
Gusto niya ka-vlog ka?
nagkahi ka naman sa vlog.
Ka naman sa vlog.
Hindi, okay lang. Yeah, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Mia Sports Center for Double Bounce Open Play. And another mic top sessions na naman. Sana maka-stock natin ulit to si Josh
Last
mamaya.
game tayo para mag-videoan natin.
Yes. So abangan nyo. Tingnan natin kung makakailang games tayo. Let's go to game 1. Game 1. Play for serve. Kitchen. Sorry. Sorry. Nice one. Sorry. Nice shot. Yours. Yours. Nice. Nice one. Yours. Nice one. Hey!
Tama ko yung paddle mo, sayang.
Sige, sige, sige. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Ay, sayang. Nice one. Nice one. Yours. Uy, sayang. Yun. Nice one. Ay!
Sabi pa.
Hindi na gumana. Ano? Good game, boss. Good game. Game on, done. Close fight. 11-9. Talo kami. It's okay. Game 1. Post-game analysis. Talo kami. But it was a very good game. It ended with 11-9. Kami yung 9. Talo kami. And game 1 jitters. Daming error on my end. And sobrang init. Parang hirap maglaro. Parang nakaka-suffocate. Let's head on to game number 2. Kastuck ko na ngayon si Josh, Carlo, and Jackie. This will be a very interesting game. Lahat magaling. We'll see. Okay. See you on game 2. Game 2. Let's go. Flavor serve. Sorry. Uy! Ah! Sin pa more. Ito na si Josh. Shit. Let's go. Sorry. Lakas. God damn. Kala ko pa ganun eh. Habol tayo sa card. Grabe, score na 0. 8-0, my God.
Number NJ84291. Please proceed.
Yours. Uy! Ganda na serve. Wala na. Nice. Kahit maka 1 point lang kami. Ayun na ako. 1 point lang. Pasok lang sa box. Ay, putang ina mo. Nasi Nelson. Sorry, sorry. Yun. 1 point. 110. Yes, ito na si Josh. In, out. Shit. Ay, grabe. Grabe na kaya yung score. 1-11. Damn, talo kami. So, game 2 done. Talo kami with nakakahiyang score na 11-1. Kakampi ko si Carlo. Ito si Carlo. Tapos kalaban namin si Jackie. And si Josh. So, ang ganda ng gamit na paddle ni Jackie. So parang Analay Water. Ayan, ALW na Franklin C45 versus Guangdong na Wika Air. So talo ang Vietnam, panalo ang US. Yeah, galing talaga ni Josh. Coming from, nagte-tennis din kasi siya. Then si Jackie naman, mas matagal na siya naglalaro kaysa sa akin. Solid yung game, sobrang bilis lang. So let's head on to game number 3. Kakampi ko ulit kalaban ko ulit si Carlo, Jackie, tas si Rome. Kami naman magkakastock. Yeah, so see you game 3. Let's go! Kapi kami ni Carlo ulit! Game 3. Yours. Gilid. Ay, sorry. Bakaw. Nice one. Out. 4-3-2. Nice one. Oh, galing. Uy, sapul. Nice one. Side out. Uy, taas. Nice one. Uy. Reserve. Nice. Uy, sayang. Yours. Sorry. Sayang. Out. Look ba yun? Good game. Good game. Nakabawi rin. Game 3 win. Okay, game 3 done. Post-game analysis. Kalaban ko ulit si Jackie. Bago yung kakampi niya, hindi na si Josh. Si Rome naman yung kakampi niya. Kakampi ko ulit si Carlo. Okay yung game. Panalo kami. Pero hero pa rin kalaban ni Jackie. Galing. Galing niya yung mga cross-court na mga shots. Shot selection, placement. Galing. Think, kaya pa? Ano pa ba? Anong oras na? 4:20 hanggang 6. Pwede pa tayo mag game 4. Let's go. See you on game 4. Game 4. For serve. Nice. Yours. Nice one. Uy, sorry. Hindi ako prepared dun ah. 2-1-1. Uy. Uy, sorry. Yours. Uy, sayang. Hesi. Hesi. Nice one. 3-5. Four, five. Hesi. Hesi again. 4-5-1. Yours, bro. Ah, all good, all good. Yours. Speed up. Speed up. Uy. Yours. Nice.
Sorry.
Okay lang. Oy! Yours. Nice. Yours. Nice one. Ganda. Match point. Nice one. Sorry.
Makawa na yung paddle.
Oo, bugbog na. Okay lang. Minus resale value na to. Okay, so game 4 done. Talo kami ulit. Galing talaga ni Josh. Medyo hassle lang. Nalaglag yung paddle ko twice. Well, mali ko rin naman kasi hindi kami nagko-communicate kung kaninong bola. Dapat pala pag ganon, communicate para hindi kayo magbabanggaan, ka-clash kayo. Magsabi kayo ng yours, mine, ganon. Para hindi kayo maguluhan din. Especially pag sa gitna yung bola, minsan nagkakaroon ng hesitation. Sila Josh kanina, si Josh and Carl parang twice ata or thrice sila dinrive sa gitna. May disconnect on their end, tapos kami rin may disconnect na para pag palapit sa amin yung bola, nagka-clash kami, nagbabanggaan kami, tapos yun, nalaglag yung paddle ko. Pwede pa, it's around 5. May isang oras pa, siguro mga at least 2 or 1 more game bago matapos yung open play. So game 4 done. Yeah, see you on game 5. Game 5, kampi ko si Jack. Let's go! Last game! Nice, ganda. Nice ball placing by Rome. Out. Nice. Sorry. Uy, ganda. Cross the court. Ganda ng ball placing. Wrong court. Uy, sorry. Mine. Nice. Uy! I think we have to roll the tape. Kung foot fault ba o hindi. Foot fault ba, Jack? Foot fault o hindi? Fuck! Ganda! Out! Sorry. Nice! Mine? Mine? Nice! Ganda. sayang. Nice serve. Ganda. Mine. Thinking. 6, 7. Woo! In. Boom! Pasok. Oy! Yours? Sorry. Yours. Hoy! Shit, sorry. Good game. Good game. 6-11. Good game. Good game pa rin still. Good game. Good game. Game 5 done. And that's the last game for today. Okay, game 5 done. Talo kami ulit. Kampi ko si Jack. Talo kami. So, talo kami. Standing for the whole day is 1 win, 4 lose. Alat gaming. Nalaglag pa yung paddle ko. You know, it's okay. Yeah, enjoy pa rin. So, sana nagustuhan nyo yung vlog natin for today's open play kila Double Bounce. If need nyo rin sumali sa other open play besides sa amin, you can also visit their reclub. Lagay ko na sa baba yung reclub nila. If umabot kayo guys sa part ng video na to, you can comment down below kitchen. Yun, kitchen na lang. Para alam kong nanood kayo from start to finish. And if you guys wanna buy some Eversince merch, you can always buy our merch at www.eversince-streetclub.com. Don't forget the dash, baka kayo mapunta. And as always, this has been Jerome Monastrial. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Janet!
Spreads like leaves through the mind's apple trees. I proceed with caution and I'm not flossing. Unlike some, I'm not defined by my fortune.